Hello everybody, welcome back to the music room here in Moraboy in Sligo, and it's day 46 of the Lockdown Singsong. Thanks for joining me every day. It's really great to know you're out there and getting some enjoyment out of it. Today's song is one of my favourites. It's a real nostalgic song to me. It reminds me of hazy, lazy summer days, you know, when you'd be on your holidays and nature was blossoming all around you, and there was a lovely heat from the sun and gorgeous wildflowers and bog cotton and all of that. And the song, I first heard it from Christy Moore. He did a beautiful job with Planksy on it and sings it still in his live gigs. It's you seldom hear it though, and it's really, really beautiful. They've been fighting over it in Clare and Kerry down through the years, because Clare is mentioned so often, and it's the west coast of Clare and the towns of Kilkee and Kilrush. But it was actually written in Kerry by a man from Lixnaw, Jack McAuliffe was his name, and he could see Clare from his vantage point in Kerry. So it's Kerry's song, I guess, but about the beauties of Clare and the surroundings. And I'd like to mention a few people and sing it for them. PJ Maher in Corrow, County Roscommon. How are you, PJ? A distant relation, you know, we are. Corrow, where PJ is from, is where my mother was born and reared. And Diarmuid Noonan, Ruth Moore up in Fermanagh, Maeve and Jane Gallagher out in, where are ye? Out in Dromahair. Kathy Cannon, Kevin Gosner, Siobhan Cleary, who I had the privilege of listening to some of her opera that she wrote, which aired on RTE Radio 1 last Saturday. It was fantastic. John Mayock and all the Mayock clan down in Mayo, and very especially for my first cousin, Ralph Shaver, out in Eden, Idaho. And it's his birthday today. So happy birthday, Ralph. See you very soon, hopefully. So, without further ado, The Cliffs of Dooneen. You know, I post the lyrics the night before if you're looking for them on my Facebook page. You can, you know, choose to print them out and sing along. And we might do a lockdown book, you know, at the end of this. God knows how long it'll go. It might be a very fat book. Okay, here we go. You may travel far, far from your own native home, far away o'er the mountains, far away o'er the foam. But of all the fine places that I've ever been, there is none to compare with the cliffs of Dooneen. Take a view o'er the mountains, fine sights you'll see there. You'll see the high Rocky Mountains on the west coast of Clare, or the town of Kilkee and Kilrush can be seen from the high rocky slopes round the cliffs of Dooneen. It's a nice place to be on a fine summer's day, watching all the wildflowers that ne'er do decay. Oh, the hare and lofty pheasant are plain to be seen, making homes for their young round the cliffs of Dooneen. Fare thee well to Dooneen, fare thee well far away, and to all the fine people I'm leaving behind, to the streams and the meadows where late I have been, and the high rocky slopes round the cliffs of Dooneen. Thanks very much, folks. See you tomorrow. Mind how you go, and take care till 24 hours from now for day 47. Bye.